Today I'm going to share two cedarwood recipes from our doTERRA cedarwood essential oil. Hi, Rosalie here. Welcome to Take on Thursdays, which is part of my Vision of Excellence daily series. My first recipe today is for the men, and it makes a really great gift. According to recent surveys, 1 out of 4 of males aged 18 to 59 uses beard care products on a daily basis, and 3 out of 4 say they currently use them or have used them in the past year. The look, feel, and health of beards is a legitimate concern for men and those who love them, and the answer is just a bottle or two of certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils away. Beard oils are becoming increasingly popular because they can change the look, texture, and health of your favorite facial friend in a matter of seconds. The science behind beard oil is quite simple. Within a matter of days, even the best efforts to grow a beard can result in a dry, itchy, and disheveled mess. While it may seem like it's the hair, the root cause of these issues, it's actually the underlying skin and its sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands are microscopic glands located at the root of every hair follicle. Their primary function is to secrete an oily and waxy substance called sebum, S-U-B-U-M, that keeps skin and hair moisturized. While the hair follicle progressively becomes longer, the sebaceous glands do not grow, nor do they have a means to increase production of the sebum. The longer the beard becomes, the greater the discomfort and risk for dry and unhealthy skin and hair. Beard oil is a simple solution to the discomforts of a beard. Do you know someone that applies beard oil daily without even knowing what's in it? Some beard oils may be fortified with vitamins or fragrances, but fundamentally, beard oil is composed of two ingredients: a carrier oil and an essential oil, or a blend of them. While many beard oils feature jojoba, avocado, or even olive oil as their base, the medium chain triglycerides comprising our fractionated coconut oil are the ideal carrier for a beard oil, as it blends well with other oils. It's moisturizing, it leaves the hair and skin soft and smooth, and it's odorless, so you can better enjoy the pleasant aroma of the added essential oils. When choosing an essential oil to complement the fractionated coconut oil in the beard oil, look for oils that are cleansing, hydrating, and promote overall health of the hair and underlying skin. The first option is, of course, this week's oil, cedarwood. It's steam distilled from the wood pieces of the Juniperus virginiana, and it has a number of properties that promote the look and health of both hair and skin. And due to its concentration of cedrol, research suggests that when applied topically, cedarwood oil may help to keep the skin looking healthy. Cedarwood is also commonly used to reduce dryness and promote overall hair and skin health. Other good beard oils are tea tree, patchouli, and sandalwood. And the method is super simple. You combine an ounce of our fractionated coconut oil and 5 to 10 drops of your favorite doTERRA essential oils for skin and hair in a small bottle and shake it. Put a few drops of the mixture into your palms, or have them put it into their palms each morning and massage it into the beard. If you don't have the daring or the time to make your own, our Salon Essentials Root to Tip Serum, which includes cedarwood essential oil, can do the same thing to your beard as it does to the hair atop your head. A few washes a week with your favorite shampoo and some extra attention with homemade beard oil is all it takes to grow and maintain a healthy looking and feeling beard. The second recipe today with our cedarwood oil is for cleaning, and as popular as lemon, wild orange, and tangerine essential oils are in the DIY cleaning world, there are many other oils that you can add to your homemade cleansers too. Did you know that there's a lot of other excellent essential oils to use in homemade cleansers? What kind of scents would you like to clean with? I'm going to share some ideas grouped by their plant type. Many cleaning products on the market are scented with an artificial pine scent that seems synonymous with clean, but by going the natural route for a woodsy scent, you avoid the chemicals and get to keep the refreshing aroma. The oils in the wood or tree oils category come from the resin, bark, branches, or leaves of the trees to give you that classic uplifting green or deep wood scent and bring you some balancing aromas that help you also. There's arbor vitae. It's a natural purifier and it also cleans the air as it is diffused. As part of your wood cleaner, ideal for the wood furniture and hardwood floors, it helps preserve the wood and keep it clean. Then there's, of course, this week's oil focus, the cedarwood, and it is like arbor vitae. It can be useful in wood cleaner or polish or any other all-purpose sprays. It also pairs well with eucalyptus. Also, great oils in this category are cypress and frankincense too, which frankincense is free this month of December 2020 with a qualified order. So just ask me and I'll help you make that happen. While you may not readily think that your spice cabinet has those clean scents that help when you're cleaning, many oils come from the spices and herbs and have the ability to cleanse surfaces and purify the air throughout the house. Melissa, also known as the lemon balm, is the perfect surface cleaner that's especially helpful on kitchen surfaces, and it's safe to use on stone. Then there's also oregano, thyme, cassia, cinnamon bark, cilantro, and coriander oils. We also have a few blends that are specifically useful for cleaning, and that would be our On Guard and Purify blends. However, this week is all about cedarwood and how incredible it can be in a variety of ways. There's many ideas that I have to share, more than this. However, these two recipes will have to do for now. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like these ideas, make sure that you click in the link in my post to get the recipes. Friday follow-ups will be about wrapping up this week, answering your questions, some free resources to assist you in your knowledge, and much, much more. I hope you're now ready to take on your Thursday. Have an amazing day and see you tomorrow.